You know, it used to be whenever I wanted to brad nail something, I had to break out the compressor, take out the brad nail gun, hook it up, and then wait for the compressor to fire up, reach its pressure, and then I could start nailing. Well, in this episode of Feel Guided DIY, we're going to be checking out the Ryobi Cordless 18-volt brad nailer. Let's dive in. It's very compact. Comes with a belt clip and some starter brads. It uses a Ryobi 18-volt battery pack, not included.
Easy load and unload. A comfortable rubberized grip. Accommodates a variety of brad sizes from 5/8 to 2 inches. I told you it was easy to load and unload. There's a trigger safety button that must be depressed for the trigger to activate. What Ryobi cordless tools do you own? Let us know in the comments below. It is switchable from single shot to rapid fire, which allows you to hold the trigger down and move it from nail point to nail point. It also has adjustable drive pressure for different types of wood, allowing you to dial it up for oak or hardwoods, and dial it back for plywood and pine. It has a well-designed LED light that doesn't cast a shadow by the tool. It also has a handy belt clip that I don't think I'll ever use because of the sheer weight of the tool. I think the tool is just too bulky and cumbersome for this. The brad nailer also includes a brad depth adjustment so you don't shoot clean through your molding. And it also has a swappable Nomar pad. Other brad nailers and staple guns require an Allen wrench or a hex key. The Ryobi cordless brad nailer features toolless foul clearing. Make sure your magazine is open before you open the jam release. Then you can clear your misfires and lock the jam release back in position. Prepared, there's a great deal of tension on this. And now with your misfire cleared, you can reload. I've got one repair for my French cleat wall. The Ryobi cordless brad nailer. For other tips and product reviews, click the image on your screen now.